Okay, so we are reviewing the Kumkumadi Thailam by the Tribe Concepts. It includes ingredients like saffron, haridra, and manjishta. A very, very, very promising product. I've heard good reviews about it everywhere on internet, and of course these are the three topmost ingredients here. But then of course they have little more, which is you know you can clearly see on the package. So I'll just zoom in. It has these many ayurvedic ingredients. It also has sandalwood, and this is the standard Kumkumadi Thailam recipe, which is followed by a lot of brands. I have ordered the Tribe Concepts one. I love how they've mentioned nothing else. So I mean, there is no chemical, no preservatives, nothing. So of course, how to use: take 2, 3, 4 drops and apply evenly on your face and neck. Gently massage with your fingertips for 1 to 2 minutes in an upward motion. Leave it on for 30 minutes to 1 hour and wash it off with a mild cleanser. So yeah, best used with a face brightening daily cleanser, which I have ordered. And you can also use your jade roller, a gua sha, or any tool for deeper penetration. Of course, it's for skin brightening, anti-pigmentation, anti-aging, anti-aging, however you want to pronounce it. And again, a 30 ml product. Yeah, I'll also show the packaging, which is mentioning a lot of other details as well. When was it manufactured, what is the price, and what is the expiry. So quite a nice product in terms of packaging. It came in a cardboard packaging. The packaging was very sustainable. There was no plastic, there was nothing. I'll just do a size comparison with this product by L'Oreal. This is the smallest size, which is 22 ml, and this is a 30 ml product or bottle. Stands at the same height, little thicker because of course 8 ml more. But then yeah, this is, if you have this, you can figure out कि हमारा bottle कितना बड़ा आने वाला है. And this I have installed later. It came intact with this plastic cap, and of course I was secured with this airtight cap. Again, how does it smell? So if you ever go to a Jain temple, or if you have ever been to a Jain temple, or if you're a Jain, when you go to मंदिर और जो टीके हम लगाते हैं, दैट केसर चंदन मिक्स, जिससे भगवान की पूजा होती है. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ वेरी basic example for all the people who have either gone to a Jain temple or are Jain. They could easily relate. If not, yeah, it's not just Jain specific. I think even Krishna Bhagwan ke mandir, and there are a lot of temples which are using the sandalwood and kesar mixture. So that smell, the pure smell of that aroma, I mean, only if I had the right words to explain. I've just put a drop here to show you the consistency. It is not sticky at all. It is so light. It is very, very, very lightweight oil, and oh my god, it smells divine. It smells very, very temple like, very holy smell, and you will feel like you're getting pampered at an Ayurvedic spa or something. So this is what it smells like. I am yet to use it for I'm yet to use it regularly for me to give a detailed review, but I just wanted to show you the entire consistency, packaging. Again, it's a glass bottle, very sustainable, well done. Tribe Concepts on that. I had zero plastic. I mean, of course this could be a plastic thing, but because you cannot really replace it with anything, of course if you're using other products which are expensive, you'll increase the cost of the product. But again, amazing product, highly recommend.